Celine Razavi's rhythmic guide on why volcanoes can cause you to die. Before visiting a volcano, ensure you know it's okay if there's lava flow, because that's not what wiped out the people of Pompeii. No pyroclastic flows killed them in an awful way. They're hot and fast and partly ash, they can make entire forests flat. Worst of all is St. Pierre's Noué Ardent, which is much, much hotter than you'd ever want. So if you're ever near a strato, you ought to hope it doesn't blow. Because it's lahars that can travel really far, reaching you wherever you are. They're sticky and muddy, like hot tar. They can ruin your home or you and your car. Beware of these dangerous mudslides, for they can travel far and quite wide. The best you can do is run and hide, leaving the valley where you reside, because lahars rely on steepness to carry them and cause bleakness. Worst of all, the requirements are small for such mass destruction, because lahars don't always need a full eruption. Just a burp of heat and water can cause sticky disruptions, especially in an active icy place like Mount St. Helens. So if you're ever near a strato, be prepared for it to blow. But before visiting any volcano, ensure you know it's okay if there's some lava flow, because it's gas that's not on your side, whether it contains sulfur or carbon dioxide. The latter steals oxygen without a scent, making sure any life around is left all spent. CO2, this stuff can quickly kill you, but sulfur can too, especially if what you do is drink the water it's gotten into. Harmful gas is what drives an eruption, so you better make sure you go away Russian, lest your lifespan see a severe reduction. But still, if it's lava you're into, I could always assure you. When it comes to types, there's just two, both of which can still kill you. But hoi hoi can get hot and fast, and often breaks and cracks. The main difference is viscosity, but the victim of both tends to be property. Really, worrying about lava would be such a pity, as it can make extrusions that are quite pretty. Like scoria, a red basalt, found in yards all over the city without fault. You may also know pumice that's porous and gray. Its roughness can keep dead skin of yours away. To form Pele's tears, the smoothest of all, lava doesn't need to stretch as it falls. That sort of thing best fits Pele's hair. Instead, lava splatter flies in cool air. Plus, lava can make a larger structure, like nature's lovely architecture. Columnar joining is the result of cooling. As lava contracts, it forms pentagonal cracks. Beneath this honeycomb surface are beautiful bars that'll leave you wordless. If you don't believe me, leave for the seas straight away, for they can be seen at Fingal's Cave and Giant's Causeway. So lava makes nice sights to see, but it isn't much of a threat to you or me. Still, even when they're not close or deadly, volcanoes can be inconvenient indirectly, like the Icelandic volcano I don't dare to pronounce, which left millions stranded in airports far from their house. Yet we've not said the one you're likely to visit, a volcano so known you could hardly miss it. Although it hasn't yet blown, Yellowstone is prone. It could kill humanity in the place we call home. Because nothing says world annihilation like a bit of premature human extinction. That's right, another supervolcano, when it blows, it'll be inescapable. Our food chain could collapse, leaving humanity in a lapse. There could be a genetic bottleneck like with Mount Toba. That is, if we're lucky and life isn't yet over. So if you want to visit a volcano, then I must implore you, please don't go. But if you do, then get a nice view and take a video camera with you. Because I'm sure geology classes too would love to see how it blew. Even if it does kill you.